Hello students, today we are going to solve the second numerical of declination. Question is given as a line AB had the magnetic bearing 44 degree 30 minutes in 1910 when the declination was 4 degree 30 minute west. Then what will be the magnetic bearing in degree of the same line in 1990 if the annual declination change was 6 minutes eastward? Now, first of all, we need to solve this question for 1910. After that, we need to solve this question for 1990. So, first we will solve it for 1910. In 1910, firstly we will need to mark the coordinate system, that is like this, that is true north, that is true south, and the declination is given as 4 degree 30 minute west. So, the magnetic meridian will be like this, that is magnetic north, and that will be the magnetic south, and this angle will be given as 4 degree 30 minute, that will be the declination. Okay, and the magnetic bearing of survey line is given as 44 degree 30 minute, and it will be measured from the magnetic north in the clockwise direction like this. Okay, that will be the survey line OA, and this magnetic bearing will be equals to 44 degree 30 minutes. Now we need to determine the true bearing of this survey line, because true bearing will never change. So the true bearing of survey line OA will be equals to 44 degree 30 minute, that is the magnetic bearing of line OA, minus declination, that is 4 degree 30 minute. After solving this, we will get 40 degree 00 minute, that is the true bearing of line OA. Now it is given in the question that annual declination change was 6 minutes eastward. It means that in 1 year the declination was 6 minutes eastward. So from 1910 to 1990, what will be the number of years? The total number of years from 1910 to 1990, it will be equals to nothing but the 80 years. Okay, and in 1 year the declination was 6 minutes eastward, so the total declination will be equals to 80 into 6 minutes, and it will be equals to 480 minutes, and we can just say that this 480 minutes will be equals to 8 degree, because 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. We all know that. Okay, now in 1910 the declination was 4 degree 30 minute, and in 1990 the total change in declination is 8 degree. It means that the total change in declination from 1910 to 1990, it will be nothing but the 8 degree, that is the total change in declination in eastward direction. So what will be the present declination? It will be equals to this value, that is present declination, that is the declination in 1990, it will be equals to 8 degree minus 4 degree 30 minute, it will be equals to 3 degree 30 minute in the eastward direction. Okay, so we had determined the present declination. Now we will plot the quadrant system, that is this is the true north in 1990 and this is the true south, because it will never change. Now in 1990 the declination was 3 degree 30 minute east, so we will mark the 3 degree 30 minute east like this, that is the magnetic north and that is the magnetic south, and this angle is 3 degree 30 minutes. Now the true bearing of survey line we already determined in 1910, that will be equals to 40 degree. So the true bearing of line OA will be equals to 40 degree. That will be the true bearing of line OA. Now we need to determine the value of magnetic bearing in 1990, and it will be equals to this angle, that is this angle, that is the magnetic bearing of line OA, and this magnetic bearing of line OA will be equals to true bearing of OA minus declination. It will be equals to 40 degree minus 3 degree 30 minute, and it will be equals to 36 degree 30 minute. That will be the magnetic bearing of line OA in 1990. We had solved this question completely, and we had determined the magnetic bearing of line OA, which will be equals to 36 degree 30 minute. That is all about this question. Thank you very much, students.